Hello, everybody. A very good afternoon to one and all. My name is Ankit Sharma, and I welcome all of you in this extremely important session at the one and only Examper, your favorite online education platform. My dear students, let me be very clear that yesterday when we started, we did alphabet test. Okay, and today we are going to solve alphanumeric series. My dear students, I'm very sure that you all are really enjoying these classes in English version, because when you solve the classes in English version, it helps you in more than one ways. Number one, it helps you to improve your vocabulary for sure. I can guarantee you that if you continue for 1 month or 2 months or even 3 months, okay, I'm very sure you are getting the benefit of good English. Number two, my dear students, obviously it's needless to say you will be getting a good content over here. Next, all the latest kind of questions, latest pattern questions you will be seeing over here. Okay, so this is an added advantage, and otherwise in my class you will also get the weightage of the topic, the introduction of the topic, and all the other things which are required, the basics, the concepts, everything at one place you are going to get. Okay, now let me introduce myself to you. My name is Ankit Sharma, and I am your educator for reasoning ability. My dear students, I have taught for the past 8+ years, 4.5 years in offline and more than 3.5 years in online. Okay, and I have been a part of the leading online as well as offline education test preps in India. I am going to use this vast pool of experience to guide you, to mentor you, and to ensure that you are able to crack the examination. All right, everybody. Now, if we talk about this topic, alphanumeric series, we are going to do it in two parts. Today, the part one that we are going to do, which we are about to start, would be of a easy to moderate level. It would be of a easy to moderate level. And the second thing that we are going to do, okay, that is tomorrow's class, that will be of a moderate to difficult level. This is easy to moderate level, and the second thing that we are going to do, that is of a moderate to difficult level. All right, next thing, my dear students, what is the meaning of alpha? Alpha means alphabets. Alpha means alphabets. Numeric means numbers. Alpha means alphabets. Numeric means numbers. And sometimes we add symbols to it as well. Sometimes we add symbols to it as well to make it all the more interesting. Okay, to make it all the more interesting. Okay, and now the moment we add symbols to it, it is no more alphanumeric. It's now alphanumeric symbolic series. Okay, next thing. Just before we start with the brief discussion of concepts, here is the thought of the day. The thought of the day is, success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Okay? Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts, that really matters, that actually matters. All right, everybody? Fine. Success or failure is not a destination that once you have reached over there, you have reached, your task is done. No, it's not a destination, but it's a point. In your life, you will come across many points of success. You will come across many points of failures. Okay? And you don't have to stop at any place. You have to keep on moving. Fine? With these words, we are starting now. And now, my dear students, have a look at this. Some important terminologies. Okay? Now, what are the some important terminologies? Some important terminologies. Number one, Number one, immediately preceded. Immediately preceded. Now see, please listen to me very carefully. Preceded means coming before. Preceded means coming before. And hence, immediately preceded means immediately before. For example, today is Tuesday, if I'm not wrong. Tuesday is immediately preceded by Monday. This is the month of July, immediately preceded by June. Okay. And similarly, immediately preceded means immediately before. But since we write from the left towards the right. When we write from the left towards the right. And therefore, immediately preceded means immediately towards the left. Immediately towards the left. Next. The next one is immediately followed. Immediately followed. Immediately followed means immediately towards the right. Immediately followed means immediately towards the right. Okay. Why? Because what do we mean by follow? Followed means immediately after. Immediately followed means immediately after. This is the Tuesday, immediately followed by Wednesday. Month of July, immediately followed by August. Year 2022, immediately followed by 2023, and so on. So immediately followed means immediately towards the right. Because when we write from the left towards the right. All right, everybody? Fine. Now see, have a look at this. My dear students, immediately followed is same as immediately succeeded. Immediately followed is same as immediately succeeded. Okay. Now, the next thing, the third thing. My dear students, let me give you an example also. Before coming to the third thing, let me give you an example for better understanding. For example, if I write a word, your favorite online education platform. Example, okay. Now, if I ask you, let me pick a letter M over here. If I ask you, which letter immediately precedes M? Since we write from left towards the right, so the letter which immediately precedes M is A. And the letter which immediately follows or succeeds M is P. Immediately precedes M is A, immediately follows or succeeds M is P. I hope it is very clear. So that means immediately preceded means immediately towards the left, and immediately followed or succeeded means immediately towards the right. All right, everybody? Now, moving ahead. Good afternoon, Arvind, Matthew. Good afternoon. Now, the third thing, my dear students. See, counting is done from the left towards the right. Whenever we do counting, it is done from the left towards the right. For example, if I write the same word, example. So this is the first letter, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, fifth letter, sixth letter, and seventh letter of the word. If I write example is the best channel. So again, this is the first letter, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth letter, and so on. All right. Now, the next thing. Even this will even apply in case of numbers. 7,924. 7,924. This is the first digit. This is the second digit. This is the third digit. And this is the fourth digit. Do not get confused with units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. It is as usual. But when we count first, second, third, fourth is from left to right. Similarly, if I write 834, first digit, second digit, and third digit, as it is from left to right. All right, everyone? Getting it? Now, moving ahead. So, I think these are the points which should be kept in mind. There are one or two more points which I think we will be discussing while doing the questions. Okay. So, while discussing the questions, we will be discussing further. I hope it is very clear. Fine, everyone? Fine? Okay. Now, this is the first question set. You can see there are total 6 numbers, each are having 3 digits. 6 numbers, each are having 3 digits. Okay, so now here is the very first question. 40 second. 40 second. Quickly go ahead. Quickly. See, now listen to me. Very good, Balidan, Arvind, very good. Now see how to solve this. The question is telling if 3 is subtracted from each of the given numbers. 3 is subtracted, so this becomes 450, this becomes 919, this becomes 654, this becomes 883, this becomes 930, this becomes 546. Okay, if 3 is subtracted from each of the given numbers, then how many numbers thus formed will be divisible by 4? My dear students, what is the divisibility rule of 4? What is the divisibility rule of 4? The divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. So are you seeing anywhere such a thing? Are you seeing anywhere such a thing? The answer is no. So therefore the answer is none. Okay. So if 3 is subtracted from each of the given numbers, so this is the number which has 3 digits. This is the number again which has 3 digits. So 3 subtracted, it becomes 450, 919, 654, 883, 930, 546 and so on. Then how many digits thus found will be divisible by 4? So divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4, and that is not there in any case. So therefore none. There is no such number. Next question. Quickly everyone. Hurry up. If all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, okay, that's very easy. It's an easy topic today because we are solving easy to moderate level questions, so things will go pretty easy. Okay, see, if all the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, so if you start arranging the numbers in descending order from left to right, first of all this number will be arranged, then 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 this, and then this. All right, my dear students. So if the numbers are arranged in descending order from left to right, okay, okay, then which of the following will be second number from the right? Second number from the right is this one, and that number, as you can see, is 549. So therefore the correct answer is 549. I'm very happy to see. Very good Arvind, very good Balidan. Okay, now coming to the next one. Quickly, hurry up. 40 seconds. What will be the resultant if the middle digit of the second lowest number? See, what is the second lowest number? Lowest number is this. Second lowest number is this. And the middle digit of the second lowest number, the middle digit of the second lowest number is 4. Middle digit of the second lowest number is 4. Okay, it is added to the last digit of the largest number. Largest number and its last digit is 3. So once they are added, you are smart enough to guess that the answer of the question will be Option number C, that is 7. Option number C, that is 7. Very good. Very good. Arvind and Balidan, very good. Next one. Hurry up. See, again I can see some of you are giving the answers. See, if the second and third digit of each of the numbers are interchanged. Okay. If the second and third digits of each of the numbers are interchanged, now just apply your mind. If you do the same thing, if you start interchanging two digits, it will be time consuming. Okay. How much time it will consume? See practically. 435. This will be same. 675. 868. This will be same. 594. Okay. So if second and third digits in each of the numbers are interchanged, how many numbers thus found will be even? Now this will not be even. This will be even. This will not be even. This will be even. This will not be even. This will be even. So 3 even numbers are there. 3 even numbers are there. Answer will be option number C, that is 3. But why to waste so much time? We can directly think of it in a different way. We can directly think of it in a different way. How? If the digits will be interchanged, 5 will be coming over here, it will become odd. 2 will be coming over here, even. 5 will be coming over here, odd. 8 will be coming even. 3 will be coming odd. 4 will be coming even. So 1, 2, and 3. 3 even number will be formed. 3 even number will be formed. Alright, everyone. Next. So solving it in that way. Quickly, everybody. If the first and the last digit in each of the numbers are interchanged. So now see, if the first and last digits in each of the numbers are interchanged. So if in a 3-digit number, if the first and last digit will be interchanged, the number itself will reverse. It will become 344. It will become 229. It will become 756. It will become 688. It will become 339. It will become 945. Okay. So if the first and last digit in each of the numbers are interchanged, and then all the numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right. All the numbers are arranged in ascending order from left to right. So 1, okay, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, and 6. All the numbers are arranged in ascending order. I will arrange them. Okay. Which of the following will be third number from the right? Now just tell me, assume if I am arranging them in ascending order from left to right, then which number will be third from the right? Which number will be third from the right? Obviously it will be this one. It will be this one, fourth one, which is standing for 688. Which is standing for 688. But again, what is the original number? The answer should be in the form of parent number. And that is 886. Answer is option number C. Answer is option number C. Okay. Okay, Balidan, here I am teaching for TCS or for the RRB examination. Okay, so there is a difference. And second thing, why are you not having patience? Have patience, because these are the questions that are today I am starting this topic. And I have said at the beginning that I will start from easy level questions. In tomorrow's class, difficult level questions. Come and then tomorrow's class and solve difficult questions. Okay, I cannot start with the highest level of question. Quickly. Now, a different question is there. Okay. And now please solve the sub questions. Quickly. Hurry up. Okay, now see, have a look at this, my dear students. When the third and the first letter of each of the words are interchanged. Now see, when the third and first letter, okay, so these are interchanged. Okay, when the third and first letter of each of the words are interchanged. Okay, let me first interchange them. O comes over here, D comes over here, R and B will be as it is. U comes over here, B comes over here, U and T will be as it is. N come over here, F comes over here, U and S will be as it is. F over here, A over here, L and Y as it is. And now P over here, D over here, I and P as it is. Okay, then which of the following will be forming a meaningful word after this interchange? My dear students, what will form a meaningful word? See, flay. Flay will be forming a meaningful word. All right, everybody? Flay. So, Arvind, when you have answered, now tell me what is the meaning of flay? What is the meaning of flay? Tell me, Arvind. Flay meaning. Quickly. See, my dear students, what is the meaning? Removing the skin, basically. Removing the skin, the outer covering. Removing the skin, the outer covering. Okay. Flaying off. Okay. So now, one meaningful word, and that is flay. Okay. So which of the following will be a meaningful word after this interchange? Now apply your common sense. Apply your common sense. None of these is not mentioned. Read the question. It is telling you which of the following words will be a meaningful word. Which of the following words will be a meaningful word? Is this a meaningful word? Okay. Fun is a meaningful. Funs is not meaning. Okay. And funs is obviously not formed also. Dip is there. DIP. DIPP is not there. And that DIPP is not even formed. Okay. This is not again a meaningful word. This is a meaningful word. So you can see from in this way also. Okay. Now, the next one. Hurry up. See, if each consonant in each word is changed to previous letter in English alphabet series, okay, then how many words will end with a vowel? End with a vowel. So we just have to see end with a vowel. So do we need to change every consonant in every word? No. See, if you will change every consonant in every word, see, just understand the thing. 40-second timer is there. If each consonant in each word is changed to the previous letter in English alphabet, I'm doing this. So this becomes C, Q, this becomes A. This is vowel, it will be as it is. This is A, this will become S, U and U will be, vowel will be as it is. Vowel will be as it is, okay. But here, O, P, C, D, here it will be K, L, E, F, X, Y, okay. Here it will be E, F, here it will be M, N, here it will be R, S, okay. Now, how many words will end with vowel? End with vowel, not with vowel, not with vowel, not with vowel, end with vowel. So 2 is the answer. 2 is the answer. But is this a way? Is this a way that things have to be done in the examination? No. My dear students, what you can do over here? Directly you have to see. This will be moved one step backward, vowel will be coming, yes. One step backward, vowel will be coming, but no. Here, one step backward, vowel will be coming, no. One step backward, vowel will be coming, no. One step backward, vowel will be coming, yes. And therefore, two answers. So do the things in a smarter manner. Winners don't do different things. They do the same things differently. Next, hurry up. Okay. if the words are arranged according to dictionary from left to right. Words are arranged according to dictionary from left to right. First this will be arranged, then this will be arranged, then DI will be arranged, then DR will be arranged, and then funds will be arranged. So if the words are arranged according to dictionary from left to right, then which of the following words will be third from the right? Now see, words are arranged according to English dictionary from left to right, and now the question is, which of the following words will be third from the right hand? Third from the right hand is this. Third from the right hand is this, and that is DI double P. That is DI double P. All right, everyone. Fine. Now moving ahead. Quickly. Only see, it is telling you, very good Arvind and Balidan. See, it is telling you if the first and fourth letter in each words are interchanged. First and fourth letter in each words are interchanged. So that means B comes over here, D comes over here, R and O is as it is. Interchange, T over here, B over here, U and U is as it is. S over here, F over here, U and N is as it is. F over here, A over here, sorry, Y over here. Now see, Y over here, A over here, L and F as it is. P over here, D over here, I and P as it is. Okay. Now my dear students, it is telling you how many meaningful words will be formed. Is there any meaningful word? Is there any meaningful word? Obviously no. Answer is option number E, none. None means zero. Do not get it confused confused with none of these. Do not get confused with none of these. None means nil, zero. Next. Quickly everyone. Hurry up. Now, it is also telling you how many meaningful words of 5 letters. How many meaningful words of 5 letters can be formed using the second letter of the given words. Second letter R, U, U, L, I. Okay. So how many meaningful words of 5 letters can be formed using the second letter of each of the given words? Tell me, how many meaningful words can be formed? Tell me, how many meaningful words can be formed? My dear students, the answer is none, zero. Okay? Because you have to first of all make 5-letter words. Okay, we have to first of all make 5-letter words. Okay? It is clearly telling you 5-letter words. So that in itself is a problem. Okay? So no such word will be formed over here. Alright? Now this is a proper alphanumeric symbolic series. Okay? This is a proper alphanumeric symbolic series. Here we go. Quickly everyone. how many such letters are there in the given series, each of which is immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by a symbol. Preceded means immediately left, followed means immediately right. So how many such letters are there in the given series, each of which is immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by a symbol? So letter, number, symbol. Okay. So now, my dear students, here we go. Now this is a letter. Just before that number, just after that symbol? No. Letter, just before that number, just after that symbol? No. Letter, just before that number, just after that symbol? No. Letter before that number? No. Letter before that number? No. Letter before that number? Yes. After that symbol? No. Letter before that number? 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 Yes. After that symbol? No. Then this letter. Letter. Letter before that number? No. Letter before that number? No. Letter before that number? Yes. After that symbol? Absolutely. Absolutely. And now letter before that number? Yes. After that symbol. My dear students, many of you confuse between 0 and O. Now just see the keypad of your mobile. Or see the laptop. See your laptop's keyboard. If you see carefully, this is something and this is something. Now tell me what is the difference. Tell me. This is 0. 0 is something like this and this is O in English language. Okay. So that is again not the case. Okay. So the answer is what? Only and only 1. Answer is only and only 1. Alright, getting it? Getting it everyone? Yes or no? Yes or no? Moving ahead. Quickly. How many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a number and immediately preceded by a consonant? How many such symbols are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a number and immediately preceded by a consonant? Okay, so symbol, okay, immediately preceded by consonant? No. Symbol immediately preceded by consonant? No. Symbol immediately preceded by consonant? No. Symbol immediately preceded by consonant? Yes. But followed by number? No. Symbol immediately preceded by consonant? Yes. Followed by number? Yes. Symbol immediately preceded by consonant? No. Symbol immediately preceded by consonant? Yes. Immediately followed by number? Yes. So there are 2 such instances over here. How many such instances? 2 such instances. The answer is option number A, that is 2. Okay. Now the next one. Hurry up. Now listen to me very carefully. Remember when I was discussing today the theory, immediately preceded, immediately followed, then first, second and third digit or letter from the left hand. I said that a couple of things are left out which I would be discussing while solving the question. So now the time has come. Whenever we come across left, right or right, left, we numerically add the values. Whenever we come across left, left or right, right, we subtract the values. And the counting will be done from the from end. Counting will be done from the from end, which is given in the question. Given in the question. Okay. Now see. Please understand. Here, which of the following is 6th element to the right of 13th element from the left? So you can see over here that right and left both are there. So the moment you see both right and left, obviously you will be adding the numerical values. And when you will be adding the numerical values, 6 plus 13 is 19. 6 plus 13 is 19. And now 19th element from the left. 19th element from the left. Okay. 19th element from the left. Okay, from and is always given. Here it is given in the question. Here it is given from the left. So now this is the left hand, this is the right hand. And from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, F. And therefore this is the right answer, option number A, that is F. Option number A, that is F. Alright, getting it? Fine. Okay, now one more thing I will like to add over here. See, okay, better I would be adding it in the coming questions. Okay, see, I hope you have understood this. When left right or right left is there, you will be adding the numerical values. When left left or right right is there, you will be subtracting the numerical values. Counting will be done from the from end, which is given in the question, which is provided in the question. Okay, now moving ahead. Now solve this one quickly. Okay, quickly everyone. Now see, my dear students, have a look at this. If all the numbers are dropped in the given series, now do not go on actually dropping them. Do not go on actually dropping them. All the numbers are dropped. Now if the numbers are dropped, what will be remaining? Letters will be remaining, symbols will be remaining. If all the numbers are dropped, letters will be remaining, symbols will be remaining. Okay. So now, which of them will be 16th from the right end? 16th from the right end. Okay. Just do not count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Okay, 19. Okay, let me again check if I have done some mistake. Sorry, 16th from the left. I have done 19th. Okay, so 18, 17 and 16. It is Y. It is Y. Okay, I have counted 19. Actually, I had to count 16. I had to count 16. So this is 19, 18, 17 and 16. This is the right answer which I have just not discussed. Okay. Now, moving ahead. So there was no need of overcounting the things. Okay. There was no need of overcounting the things. The things were over here only. Okay. Now, moving ahead. Please solve this. Now, see again, my dear students, please understand. Now here, again as I discussed, if left right or right left will be mentioned, we will be adding the numerical values. Left left or right right will be mentioned, then we will be subtracting the numerical values. And the counting will be done from the from end. Counting will be done from the from end. And the from end is mentioned in the question. Given in the question. Okay. Now, which of the following element is 5th to the right of 17th from the right? Okay. 5th to the right of 17th from the right. So 2 times right right is there. So we will subtract it. And when we will subtract the value, we will be getting 12. If you just take the mod value of the difference, mod value, it will be 12th from the right. And when you check 12th from the right, this is the right end and this is the left end. So 12th from the right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. It's 4 and therefore the right answer is option number D, that is 4. Okay, correct answer is option number D, that is 4. Is it very clear? Fine, is it very, very clear? Now here, one thing, my dear students, I will like to discuss, very important. If it is said, which of the following element is 17th to the right of 5th from the right? Just apply common sense. Which of the following element is 17th to the right of 5th from the right? And then if you blindly apply the formula, it will be totally wrong. Because 17th to the right of 5th from the right means what? 17th to the right of 5th from the right means what? First you have to go to 5th from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th from the right. And from here you have to go 17th to the right. And cyclicity is not holding good over here. So that case answer will not be coming. Answer will be not defined. Answer will not be coming, cannot be determined. So apply your common sense. So do not use this formula blindly. This number should always be greater than that number. Okay. Only then you will be able to find. So for example, 5th to the right of 17th from the right. The original question, 5th to the right of 17th from the right. First you have to go to 17th element from the right, whichever it is. From there you have to come back 5th towards the right. So the difference was 12th from the right. But if the reverse is 17th right from 5th from the right. So 5th right and then from there 17th right. Okay, that is not feasible. That is not the case. Okay, now the next case. Now this is a proper number series, only number series. Okay, now the very first question, quickly everybody. Quickly everyone. Now see, now this is the same thing. I will not keep on writing the formula again and again. Which of the following is 6 to the right of 9th from the left? See, once more I am writing it. Left, left or right, right, you have to subtract the numerical values. Left, right or right, left, you have to add the numerical values. Counting will be done from the from end. Okay, everyone. Now, the question, and from end is also given in the question. It is always given in the question. Okay. Now, which of the following, which of the following is 6 to the right of 9th from the left? 6 to the right of 9th from the left. You will add them. You will get 15. And it is 15 from the left. So counting is done from the from end. 15 from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay. So 6. Answer is option number B, that is 6. Okay. Now, the next thing. Quickly everyone. What will be the resultant? My dear students, what will be the resultant if the 7th digit from the right? What will be the resultant if the 7th digit from the right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7th digit from the right, that is 5, is multiplied by the 5th digit from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 9 ja. 5 9 ja 45. 5 9 ja 45. Alright everyone. Getting it? The right answer is 45. Okay, everyone. Now, the next one. Quickly. Now, how many such even numbers are there? How many such even numbers are there in the given arrangement, which are immediately preceded and followed by an odd number? This even number, is it preceded as well as followed by odd number? No. This even number, is it preceded by odd number? No. Then this even number, yes, it is preceded as well as followed by odd number. This even number, yes, it is preceded as well as followed by odd number. Then this even number, no, it is not preceded as well as followed. This even is not preceded. This even is not followed by odd number. This even number is also not preceded by odd number. This even number is not preceded. This even number is not preceded by odd number. This even number is preceded as well as followed by odd number. This even number is preceded as well as followed by odd number. And this number is preceded by odd number but not followed. So how many such instances are seen? How many such instances are seen? 4 such instances. 4. And therefore the right answer is option number A, that is 4. So it's all about observing the things. It's all about observing the things, and that too very, very carefully. So for example, this even number preceded as well as followed by odd. This even number preceded as well as followed by odd. This even number preceded as well as followed by odd. And this even number preceded as well as followed by odd. Okay, everyone? Fine. Next. No. How many such sevens are there in the given arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a perfect square? Okay, so this 7 is immediately preceded by a perfect square. This 7 is not immediately preceded by a perfect square, but this 7 is again immediately preceded by a perfect square. This 7 is not immediately preceded by a perfect square. So there are how many such instances? 2 such instances. Answer is option number D, that is 2. Okay, everyone? Clear? Next. Hurry up. What will be the resultant if the addition of the first 5 digits is subtracted from the addition of last 5 digits? Now just apply your mind. Okay, 9 and 4 over here will be cancelled out from this 9 and this 4. Okay, now 6 plus 1, 7 will be cancelled out from this 7. So now here is 5, and if you cancel 8, you will be getting 3 plus 8, 11. 3 plus 8, 11. And that is the right answer. Option number D, that is 11. Alright, everybody? Fine? Getting it or not? Now, the next one. Now, this is a proper letter series. Proper letter series, okay? Let us start quickly. Which of the following is in the middle of the last 15 letters? See, last 15 letters, you do not need to actually see which are the last 15 letters. So if the last 15 letters are there, the middle letter will be the 8th letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8th letter. It's E. And therefore the right answer is option number C, that is E. Okay, alternatively what many people do, they count 15 letters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then E. Okay, so actually you can do it in that way also. Now, the next one. See, very easy verbally. Fifth to the right of ninth from the right. Which of the following element is fifth to the right of ninth from the right? Fifth to the right of ninth from the right is effectively fourth from the right. It's effectively fourth from the right. Fourth from the right is T. Okay, and that's the right answer. Answer is option number C, that is T. All right, everyone. Fine. Now, quickly. See, N-A-N. N-A-N. Okay, N-A-N. And then F-P-W. But between them, there are two letters. Two letters. So here also, two letters. And then R, U, and then T. R, U, and then T. Okay, and therefore the right answer is option number A, R, U, T. Okay, everyone, R, U, T. Getting it or not? So, see, again I will explain this one. Actually, what is happening? N and A, there is a gap of 1, and then N is consecutive. Then over here, there are gap of 2 letters. Gap of 2 letters, okay? And then F, P, and W. Okay, F, P, and then W. And then again, gap of 2 letters. And then R, U, and T. So R, U, and T, and that is the right answer, option number A. All right, everybody. Next. Hurry up. How many consonants? So I have discussed well about vowels and consonants in my last class. Okay. So how many consonants are there in the given series which is immediately followed by a vowel? How many consonants are there which are immediately followed by vowel? So how many vowels are there? See, this consonant is immediately followed by vowel. 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 And this is not a consonant that I will take, it is followed by a vowel. This consonant is immediately followed by a vowel. This consonant is immediately followed by a vowel. And this is not a consonant that I will count it, that it is followed by a vowel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 such instances. 6 such instances where a consonant B is followed by a vowel. Consonant is followed by a vowel. Okay. Fine, getting it? Okay. And then lastly, my dear students, solve this one. Okay, my dear students, this will be your homework. This will be your homework, okay? This will be your homework. You will solve this. You will mark the answers at the comment box of YouTube after the class is over. You will solve this and you will write the answer at the comment box once the class is over, okay? And I promise to respond to each of the comments over there. I promise to respond to each of the comments over there. All right, everybody? Fine, everyone? Getting it? And now with this, my dear students, we come to an end of the session. Let me tell you, my dear students, the only person who will decide your destiny is you. The only person who will decide your career is you. Yes, you can do it. Definitely you can do it. My dear students, believe in yourself. The world will believe on you. Thank you, everybody.